forget.
So as you can see, the color clearly washed out. Now, I did just slick my hair back. I didn't really style, but I am going to style today, and I'm going to use the same products that I used when I styled my hair with the hair paint wax. So I'm going to use this Clump Defining Cream followed with the Bounce Curl Gel. I'll just do this really quick and you can see my results. And let's get started, shall we? So I did wash my hair with the clarifying shampoo again because I did put some gel. I didn't want to have any buildup, so I did use that. Now we're ready to style. As you see, the color is clearly out, and it actually came out really well while I was showering. I noticed that the water really just rinsed it all out. And I shampooed my hair like 2 times with the clarifying shampoo just to make sure it was completely out. And as you see from the video, it came out really well. I want you to stay with me tonight. So here are my results using Bounce Curl's Clump Defining Cream. So I did finger coil. As you can see, these are some. I'm probably gonna split these out. I should probably do it. The hair paint wax came out just fine. As you see, I got my curls back with these honey highlights. And if you want these products, I am going to put my code so you can get a discount, okay? So they're going to be down in the description, and yeah. Got my curls back, but I think I want to color my hair again. Now I want to do a different color. What color you guys think? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys are liking these videos, I mean, let me know so I can keep going and keep doing them. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching.